Welcome to this well-maintained and spacious 3-bedroom, 2-bath, triple-wide manufactured home located on a desirable corner lot in the sought-after all-age, pet-friendly community of Palm Key Village in Davenport, Florida. Palm Key Village is a welcoming all-age community that offers residents a variety of amenities designed to complement an active lifestyle. Enjoy access to a beautifully appointed clubhouse, sparkling community swimming pool, fitness center, billiards room, and a pet-friendly environment where neighbors quickly become friends. Conveniently located near shopping, dining, medical facilities, golf courses, and Central Florida's world-famous attractions, this home offers both comfort and convenience in one exceptional package. Here we go up the walkway. Through the front door, where we are welcomed with a beautiful open floor plan. It has a very large living area with tasteful carpet that overlooks the kitchen and dining area. This is a bright and cheerful white kitchen with matching appliances and tons of counter space and cabinetry. We are now going out to the nicely screened inland eye, perfect for relaxing and visiting with friends. Off to the side, we have a great paved patio for grilling and sunning with the privacy of a fence for your furry friends. Here's the 2-car garage, plenty of space for 2 vehicles and storage. Back into the home through the kitchen. Let's head over to the master bedroom. Here we are in the master bedroom. Very spacious for your large furniture. Oversized master closet. Let's check out the ensuite bathroom. Dual vanities, garden tub, tons of room, and a walk-in shower. Now we're going to head over to the other side of the home to check out the rest of what this home offers. Here's the separate laundry room with washer and dryer, overhead storage, and plenty of room for your cleaning products and tools. Now we are going down the hall to the first right, a spacious full guest bath. Right next to it is a guest room with an oversized walk-in closet. There's another room not shown in this video that is currently set up as an office. The monthly lot rent is $1,066 and includes trash service. If you've been searching for a spacious home with multiple living areas, abundant storage, fantastic outdoor spaces, and outstanding amenities, this beautiful home is one you won't want to miss. Call Andrew today